Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best, and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine this wonderful day. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you guys. Now, if you just come across my channel, you're welcome. Okay, please press on the notification bell on video come live. You'll be the first person to get notified. Okay, it's at the end of this video, if you like it, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. It's going to help me grow this channel in a very big way. Thank you. Okay, let's jump right into the reason why we are here. Now we are still on Segnaletica Horizontale e segni sugli ostacoli. Today we'll be dealing on Attraversamento pedonale 1 and 2. We're going to see two types of Attraversamento pedonale that we have in this video. Then I'll begin as well, okay? Now the first one is this one. Attraversamento pedonale. This is a zebra crossing that we all know. Okay, now it says, I'm going to read, tale signa sia dentro che fuori dei centri abitati un attraversamento pedonale in pedoni hanno la pedone. Now we say this attraversamento pedonale, okay, outside of the city, it indicates, okay, a place where pedoni, which are pedestrians, they have right of way over, okay, inside and out. It is a crossing for pedestrians where they have right of way over vehicles. Poi essere completata con apposito segnale verticale di attraversamento pedonale. Now, it can be completed with a vertical. Let me just read through. I'm going to show you. Now you can see it with that signal. Su strada e urbana di pericolo attraversamento pedonale. Now for extraurbana secondaria outside of the city, okay, it can come before, or there's a sign. Let me show you so you understand what I'm saying. Now you see this one. This one can come before this one. Okay, now this is not attraversamento pedonale. You see this this blue one that tells you that the exact point is a crossing for pedestrians, which is the pedestrians. Now you see this one, you're not going to see it at the exact point. That's why he said point essere preceduto, meaning that this one can come before you see zebra crossing. This one warns you of a danger. Normally 150 meters ahead, you're going to see a zebra crossing. Not the point you're seeing this. Okay, this is a warning sign. It's warning you 150 meters ahead of this one. So you can see this one before you see this one. You can see this signal, warning signal, before you see the outside cities. Okay, so that's that. Now it says obbliga I conducenti a fermarsi e dare la precedenza ai pedoni che attraversano la carreggiata. Now it obliges the driver to stop and give right of way to pedestrians that wants to cross the carriageway. Okay, stop and give right of way. They won't cross the road. I'm going to show you. This one, this is second one, attraversamento pedonale secondo. Now, I'm going to read you again as usual, and I'll be explaining in English. Tale segnaletica indica sia dentro che fuori dei centri. The same thing. Okay, this signal indicates a crossing for pedestrians, whereby these pedestrians, they have over vehicles. They have the right of way over vehicles. Può essere completata con apposito segnaletica verticale di attraversamento pedonale. It can be completed with the vertical signal that indicates that this is attraversamento pedonale. This signal, it can be completed with this signal that indicates that this is attraversamento pedonale. Su strada extraurbane secondaria deve essere preceduta da segnale di pericolo, attraversamento pedonale. Now, again and again, it's still telling you the same thing. Okay, outside of the city, you can see the pericolo sign before you see this one, warning you 150 meters ahead of a zebra crossing. Obbliga i conducenti a fermarsi e dare la precedenza ai pedoni che attraversano la carreggiata. Now it obliges the driver. Stop and give right of way to pedoni that wants to cross the carriageway. Stop and give them right of way to pedestrians that want to cross the carriageway. Un attraversamento pedonale può essere preceduto sulla destra da una striscia gialla a zigzag, come nella figura, per migliorare la visibilità. Now you see this crossing, I'm going to go back to the picture. I think that this pedestrian crossing can be seen, okay, before you see the zebra crossing, you can see this particular yellow gialla striscia, okay, this yellow striscia here, to better the visibility of this zebra crossing. Okay, you can't see this yellow signal here, okay, this yellow striscia, just there to better the visibility of this zebra crossing. So we have shown you like the two zebra crossing we have, the one without this yellow striscia, okay, but both of them have the same thing. Outside of the city, they have the segnale di pericolo that warns you about them 150 meters ahead. And the exact point where they are, you're going to see this particular segnale di indicazione, which has the same crossing, okay, telling you that this is attraversamento pedonale. That means this one comes before this one, okay? Okay, that's that for attraversamento pedonale. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything giving you difficulty, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Okay, if it is worth doing a video, like I always say, it will be done. But if it is not worth doing a video, I will definitely explain to you. If there's something I can in the comment section, why not? Okay, so if you don't understand, please always see it in the comment section. I'll be there for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.